You work hard all day, then you come home, you're tired. Kids are hungry. You open your fridge, and then you just want to order takeout. I show you the lazy way to cook. I made those 5 magic sauce on Sunday, and you can eat with rice, noodles, vegetables, even bread. You cook once, then eat whole week. A dinner ready in 5 minutes. You call it meal prep. I call it flavor magic. And takeout is expensive and usually not that healthy. Don't waste your money. Let's cook in my Chinese way. First one, burnt chili sauce. I use these long hot chili peppers. You can get them at Asian market. In Sichuan, we use 二荆条, very similar to those, but I can't find them here. All right, chop them in long pieces first.
On medium-high heat, no oil. Put all the peppers in. Press the pepper down hard. Listen to the skin blistering. You will see this burned pattern, just like tiger skin, 虎皮, Shao Jiao. Then chop them up or use a food processor. Save your time. I still like a little more texture, a little chunky. Also, I love garlic. Add some extra in here. Now heat up oil and fry minced garlic first. Then add the peppers. We need to stir fry the moisture out so it lasts long. Then add the seasoning. Check out the recipe on my website. I add red pepper for extra kick if you like it extra spicy.
Here is the burnt chili sauce. Look at this. Add this on any vegetable you like. Eggplant is a classic dish with burnt chili sauce in Sichuan. I like to add some vinegar in here. Let's try this. Spicy, smoky flavor. Oh, wow, this, you can eat a lot of rice with this. But I have noodles, those mung bean noodles. You soak them in the water, then just cook 2 minutes. Dinner is ready. I also add some cucumber in here. Look at this. This is the cold noodle dish. Let's try that. Oh, brings a lot of flavor in this noodles. Cucumber. So crunchy, so good. Add this sauce in any noodles or vegetable. Let's make the next one. Number 2, it's my salty scallion sauce. This one's good with any meat. I call it 2-minute meat sauce.
This is like the fastest sauce in the world. Well, almost. You put all the ingredients in a heat-proof jar, then just pour over hot oil. Listen to that sizzle. That heat wakes up the garlic instantly. Finish with a splash of sesame oil since the garlic is technically raw inside oil. So this one is for fresh eating. Finish it in 3 to 5 days. But I also freeze some too. I buy this hot pot beef. They cook so quickly. Add on the salty scallion sauce you just made. It sizzles on the pan. You can't resist the fragrance.
Look at this beef and rice. Oh, if you just order in or go to a restaurant, that's gonna cost you $20 at least. But make at home like this, probably $2 or $3. Your Chinese mom always wants to save money. Yes, this is for you. The green onion fragrance with beef is perfect. You can just eat with rice because rice is life. So good. Oh, I can't wait to show you next one. Tomato beef sauce, 番茄牛肉酱. You can use that for Chinese food, Asian food, or your pasta. I'm gonna turn your pasta into Chinese food.
For this sauce, I use a lot of different vegetables. Carrots, celery, onions, and some garlic. If your kids don't like vegetable, this might be the best sauce to hide it. Brown your ground beef first. Let the water evaporate until the meat gets crispy. That is where the flavor is. Then add the veggies. Stir fry the veggie with the meat. Get the fragrance out. I use fresh tomatoes and a canned tomato sauce. Season with soy sauce, salt, and a little bit chicken powder. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes until it's thick and rich.
Yes, I'm gonna gonna turn you guys' pasta into Chinese food. Cook with chopsticks. I add cilantro. You can add cheese. Look, your pasta. Now it's Chinese food. So good. Let's try this. I need to add more. Add more sauce. Oh, the sauce is so good. It's more saucy. Oh. Wow. Let's try it. The sauce is so rich, sweet from tomato. So you put the meat sauce in the jar 5 to 7 days. You have to finish. But I put them in those soup cubes right here. You can put in the freezer for 3 months. You just take a cube out, the microwave the cube, dinner ready in 5 minutes. Now we're on number 4, the fried bean sauce. Actually, it's with ground pork. And this one's called 炸酱, classic noodle dish called 炸酱面. 开始.
I start by frying ground pork until the oil releases and see that fat coming out and the meat is golden. Then we add green onions, ginger, stir fry together. Get the fragrance out. This is my secret combo. Sweet bean sauce is soft, sweet, and fragrant. Soybean paste on the right is bold and savory. Alone they are good, but together, that's the magic. You get real old school Beijing style pork 炸酱 flavor. I add oyster sauce and more soy sauce. Now we stir fry the ingredients for at least 5 minutes. Then we add 13香 powder, or you can use 5 spice powder. Then sugar to balance the taste. Last step, we add cooking wine or high proof alcohol. This adds aroma and helps preserve the sauce longer. I just ate a bowl of rice with this meat sauce. And you can still hear my voice is not totally recovered yet. I'm still recovering. This video recorded before I got sick. So when I got home, I defrost in the microwave. Dinner is ready for everyone. Whoever wants rice, wants noodles, kids are happy, and I don't have to cook.
Now we taste the 炸酱 noodles, 炸酱面. Just make a big batch, freeze them. Dinner always ready in 5 minutes. Okay, let's move on then. Last one. I'm gonna finish this later. This scallion oil, the mother sauce, you can save it for at least a month. I will show you how you make on a stove. But in case you don't have a stove, so quickly in the microwave too.
Method 1 on the stove. This is for flavor purists. On medium heat, add garlic, green onions, cilantro, ginger, and onions. Turn the heat to low-medium. Pay attention to the bubbles. Big bubbles means water is evaporating. Small bubbles means the water is gone and the oil is frying. We drain the herbs, but remember, we need to keep them as our crunchy toppings. They taste so good and adds texture. Now you got the flavorful clear scallion oil. We use this in the pan. Then we add the light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. Next, I add sugar to this hot oil mix. Let it caramelize. Look at the color. It's blooming. Now in a heated proof jar, we store the sauce. You can easily put this in the fridge for a month since we fry out all the water. Now the lazy hack, you can make the same scallion oil without cooking. Just put the same ingredients in the plate, add oil, mix it well. Just put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. It bubbles just like the stove. Then you got this clear scallion oil. Then take the herbs out, add the same dark and light soy sauce and sugar. Just put back in the microwave for another minute. Look, our microwave version of scallion oil is hot and ready.
So now you have this scallion oil. You can make any vegetables noodles in 5 minutes. Look at these crunchy onions, cilantro, garlic. Crunchy garlic. Mixing the noodles. Simple is the best. Hello, hello? This one is for you. So good. The crunchy herbs adds a lot of texture. Drizzle this on your egg. So good. You have to make this now. Look at these 5 sauces we made today. Don't you have to worry about your dinner? Never. Oh, the pepper sauce. Whoa, look at that. You don't have to eat sad food takeout because you are busy. When you have 5 magic jars, dinner ready in 5 minutes. Tell me which jar will save you dinner this week, or you make them all. Like and subscribe. I will see you next Sunday. 不见不散。